Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you dreaming of earning six figures as a digital marketer in 2025? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. Let me show you how you can turn that dream into reality. But first, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those two. Back in October 29, I'm telling you, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed, I was frustrated, I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to work my side hustles. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles, banging my head against the wall, trying to figure it out as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. And back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. Now I'm learning how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into DMs of strangers. And what I love about this program is, even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. So if you are wondering, how do you go about becoming a high-paid digital marketer? You're definitely in the right place at the right time. Digital marketing is all about learning to promote your business, your product, service online, and there's different routes that you could take with it. You could do SEO, search engine optimization. You could do content marketing, social media marketing. You could do you could drive paid ads, you could do classified ads, you could do chat bots. There's different ways that you can connect with your target audience. And the best way for you to go about it is to become a specialist, right? It's to invest that time and the money to learn exactly what routes you want to go. You want to follow a proven step-by-step blueprint that's not just worked for the creator and not just worked for the few at the top, but that's working for everyday people like you, especially if they're beginners, right? So you could enroll in courses, you could do YouTube videos, you could do different courses, like you could go on HubSpot, you could do Google. There's different courses that you can do, right? And those courses will give you access to login details that you could jump in and learn all these skills. However, what I'd strongly recommend is for you to actually not just join a course that gives you login details and it's up to you to actually attend the training and apply what you're learning. I recommend you take a step further than that and actually get into live interactive coaching and mentorship, because the industry is always changing, and having that accountability, having people around you to support you where you can ask questions, you can get coaching and mentorship will actually increase the chances of you taking action and succeeding as a digital marketer, okay? So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim a free guide. It's a 10K in 30 days live interactive guide that shows you how you can earn 10K in 30 days. And if you like what you see, feel free to respond to my email. Let's have a conversation, because I want to help you make an informed decision. You not only will you get access to a proven step-by-step blueprint, you'll actually get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship every single week. You'll actually be able to use the skills that you're learning to earn 100% commissions without having to create a product. You can leverage a product that's there, that's proven in demand, that's actually trending in an industry that's trending, the e-learning industry. So it all starts with you taking a look at our live interactive guide and responding to me if you have any questions. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.